I'm here at the Rolling Rock Muscadine Vineyard in Boaz, Alabama. And let's go check on Aunt Joyce and cousin Joey. And y'all need to describe what y'all picking, how you picking them. Now I gotta get some soft ones.
You have to move the leaves around, see the clusters of them.
They're like grapes, but they don't taste like grapes. They taste like grapes to y'all.
No, they're real sweet.
If you eat one, you just got to keep on eating them.
It's like grapes. You can't.
Yeah, they're real strong.
You can't just eat one.
Yeah, they're like, yeah, you can't just eat one like grapes.
A lot of them don't go to waste.
Just gonna demonstrate how she eats a muscadine. It's not like a grape. You got a dark one or she got a purple one. All right. So she sticks it in her mouth. She chews on it, and all the inside comes out.
Gets all the juice out.
It's all the juice. What'd you say?
I said I eat all of it except the outside.
Yeah, she's the one that eats sleeps with a potato. What else? You sleep with a bar of soap yet?
Nope.
Y'all got to watch that video that she's in. And she rides camels at her age too. You got to check out the newest Bama Bucks video.
I ain't too old for nothing.
Muscadine Vineyard, we offer black and we have the bronze, and we have 7 different varieties between those two. And in the black we have the Lane and the Ison, the Black Beauty, and the Supreme. And in the bronze we have early fry, pound, late fry. And these muscadines are good for different things. First of all, they're good for fresh eating, or you can freeze them if you want to and eat them during the winter time, or you can make juice out of them, you can make jelly, or you can make wine with these. We typically open up Labor Day weekend, and we stay open until the end of October. That's when muscadines come into season and stay. And we open up on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 till 5, and y'all need to come out, bring the family, enjoy the day out here. Kids seem to enjoy coming out and picking, so y'all bring the family and come on over to see us at Rolling Rock Muscadine Vineyard, and we're located at 2461 Buffington Road in Boaz.